Molweni ndanamkela nonke kwezi Chisave Entertainment guys. Zikhala impela ke manje emakhutha. I think the Mselekus are ngizothi they are exposed of their lies because phela izolo siyesabona lapho uMpumelelo ekhuluma nobaba uMusa uMseleku emtshela ngendaba yokuthi baba njengoba ngizoshada nje I would really appreciate and love ukuthi ngiqale ngilungise emaphotheni ami ngoba angifuni inyembezi zabanye abantu ziwele phezukwami then izinto azisahambi kahle emshadweni ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe we are not meant to be nalowo muntu kanti no izinyembezi zabanye abantu so ngiyacela emthombeni ungisize ngifuna ukuhambe ngiyogeza laphana ke umuzi wakubo noMpumelelo ya understand very first girlfriend yakhe ke owayibreakayo laphana ke ivirginity and Uzibalile, the list was so long guys. Ngiyayiqala mina leyanto angazi noma it's in the Zulu culture or what, but the list was literally so long. Uye wazibala ke izinto washo ukuthi badinga ikesi labhiya badinga ama-spirity badinga inkomo badinga imbuzi. The list was too much. Even uMthomeni was like hayibo siyolobola phela mina into engiyaziyo lana inkomo nokugeza intombi kuphela. The rest angiyazi, are they trying to even enrich themselves ngathi yini because leyo mali leyo impela asinayo. So ngiye ngazama ke ukuhambe ngiyochecka lapha kunoMpumelelo ukuthi hayibo ntombi what do you think about the recent episode and ngifikile ke laphana ke uthi ke na ke unoMpumelelo guys I am just as shocked as you are. Ya understand ukuthi nje bengiqala nami ukuzwa le ndaba le ekhulunywa ngoMpumelelo ukuthi bazofika ekhaya bazongigeza because I was a virgin. You understand? So it leads us to a question yokuthi are the Mselekus acting on their reality TV show? Do they pay sometimes? Do they tip these people ukuthi we are gonna make it as if senza lento kanti siyazi ukuthi is senza something else just so they can get ama-viewers, you guys. So I was really shocked ukuthi ngempela unoMpumelelo is unaware, but at the same time ngiyazibuza ukuthi hayibo guys unoMpumelelo noMpumelelo most cases siyesibabone be together noma sibone imoto kaMpumelelo le beqeda nje ukunikezwa ubaba uMseleku they're together. So it also leads us to a question ukuthi why are they still visiting each other if really the Mselekus are literally scripting their reality TV show. So yeah guys, these are the news of the hour. What are your thoughts? Have you ever heard of something like that? Ukhona umuntu omaziyo wena khona yini umuntu omaziyo okwake kwahanjwa wayogezwa because someone else took their virginity? Guys, please ngiyacela comment down on the comments, like the video, and please also subscribe if you have not yet done so, and I will surely see you guys on the next one. Bye.